My fellow Zimbabweans, we must thank the Almighty God that General Chiwenga vakadzoka vachiri papenyu, not in a coffin from China. He survived for a reason. That man has always been a fighter, a true son of the cell who has seen it all. People thinking that BP Constantino Chiwenga was resurrected at a time panonoka kunzi akanga awan illness yakanokwa kunzi it threatened his life, but because that is a living God, BP Constantino Chiwenga came back alive. Sarapita mashuka mdanyi kupangwa kwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timila pa hindu yaska oke mapranga mdanyi rachiti. His survival was not by chance. It was divine protection because Zimbabwe still needs him. If General Chiwenga had come back in a box, Mnangagwa would have handed over power to Tagore a long time ago. He did everything to that criminal made a businessman like it was his personal property. But God said no. He preserved the general so that the revolution is not completely stolen. Look at Mnangagwa today. Anagana Anyazi. This man has no shame at all. Those who risked everything to put him where he is today, he is treating them like rubbish. The very people who made him president, he is now humiliating and discarding them like old shoes. Is this how a leader behaves? Is this the gratitude of a revolutionary? We fought for Zimbabwe. We sacrificed for Zimbabwe, for this country. We did not remove one dictator just to install another one who shows no respect to the very foundation that brought him to power. General Chiwenga survived so that the true spirit of the liberation struggle is buried with him. God is watching. Anoenda chete mnangagwa nezvigananda zvake ndomashuka mudaito papangwa ino naRetired kwake mapranga pine kudai section medu dzofundo imo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe, like, chat on the icon.